Now let us learn what is osmotic pressure. So this is also another colligative property. This is also a colligative property. So first of all, you should know what is osmosis. This is you have studied. It is the process of flow of solvent molecule from pure solvent to solution through a semi-permeable membrane. So a semi-permeable membrane is used here. So actually a semi-permeable membrane, SPM is a membrane which allows to pass the solvent molecule alone. So this is a membrane which allows to pass the solvent molecule only. So this is called a semi-permeable membrane. So through a semi-permeable membrane, the flow of solvent molecule to solution. So solvent molecules are flowing from solvent phase to solution phase. That means the flow is from solvent to solution. That means from a low concentration to a high concentration. So from a lower concentration to a higher concentration, the molecules are moving. So the molecules are moving, the solvent molecules are moving from a lower concentration to a higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. That is called osmosis. Here SPM or the semi-permeable membrane is maybe an egg membrane or animal membrane or plant membrane. So these are natural SPM, and the artificial one is cellulose acetate. Cellulose acetate is an artificial SPM. So these are examples of SPM. Actually this SPM allows to pass the solvent molecules only. That is called a semi-permeable membrane. Now let's see what is osmotic pressure. So the osmotic pressure is actually the excess pressure. It can be defined as the excess pressure applied on the solution side to stop osmosis. So that is called a osmotic pressure. So actually osmotic pressure is the excess pressure that must be applied to the solution side to stop osmosis. Let us see a container or two compartments with a semi-permeable membrane. If this is a semi-permeable membrane and if this is the solvent side and this is the solution side. So solvent molecules are flowing from a lower concentration to a higher concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. That is actually called a osmosis. So during osmosis, solvent molecules are flowing from this lower concentration phase to higher concentration phase. So in this case, if we are applying pressure or the pressure applied on the solution side, if there is a pressure that must stop osmosis or that must stop the flow of solvent molecule, that is actually called a osmotic pressure. So osmotic pressure is the pressure applied on the solution side in order to stop osmosis or in order to stop the movement of or the flow of solvent molecule. That is called a osmotic pressure. So osmotic pressure is denoted by pi. So that pi is called osmotic pressure, which is directly proportional to, so by experiments it is seen that pi is directly proportional to C and T. So C equals molarity and T is temperature. So for a dilute solution, by experiments it is seen that pi or osmotic pressure is directly proportional to molarity and temperature. So pi is equal to a constant R into Ct. So where R is called a solution constant, or it is equal to gas constant. So R is a constant which is called a solution constant, or which is equal to gas constant. So pi equals RCt. Then this is equal to RT, and instead of C we can write C equals number of moles of the solute per volume of the solution, that is molarity. So molarity equals number of moles per volume of the solution. So instead of C we can write NB by V. So pi V equals NB RT. So pi V equals NB RT. And instead of NB we can write NB equals number of moles of B equals mass by molar mass, WB by MB. So instead of NB we can write WB by MB into RT. So pi V equals WB by MB into RT. Then MB equals, that is molar mass of the solute, equals WB RT divided by pi V. So this is the equation for molar mass of unknown solute. So MB is molar mass of solute. So this will be calculated by using this equation. Here WB is mass of solute, R is gas constant, T is temperature, V is volume, and pi is osmotic pressure. So by using this expression also we can find out the molar mass of unknown solute. So that is MB equals WB RT divided by pi V. So here pi is osmotic pressure. So for atmospheric pressure we are writing P, but osmotic pressure we are writing pi. So pi is osmotic pressure. This is another colligative property. So this is about osmotic pressure.